What is happening, everyone? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Ham Radio 2. We are at Sam Houston Jones State Park in the beautiful state of Louisiana. I wore my Goonies shirt today because I thought it'd be very fitting. Goonies takes place and was shot in Louisiana, in case y'all didn't know. One-Eyed Willie actually rowed his, or captained his ship down the Mississippi River, and then they went out the bayou there in Nolens. And that's actually how Mardi Gras started, and that's why Data speaks with that Creole accent. So we've got my good buddy Sideboom here. Say hi, Sideboom.
How y'all doing today?
We got Brad and Brian here. We got an amplifier. We're gonna do 1,000 watts. My first QRP POTA activation. So let's show you what we're using. We'll get on the air. So we've got two jumbo 300 amp hour Bioenno batteries that I'm going to run here in parallel, and got the amplifier here. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for this. It's got some 1/0 gauge wire here. We're going to go ahead and connect together the batteries as unsafely as we can. Got a 200 amp fuse on the positive there. And there's also a switch. Try and keep things safe. A little bit of current going on here. All right, here's a better view. So you just connect the two negatives together, and you take one of the negative outs from one battery, and then we've got both positives connected and the positive out from the other battery. There's a better shot of the fuse there, and got this big inline switch there, so circuit's off right now. Antenna, you might be able to see behind me. We got the BuddiHex set up there. 20 through 6, I believe. So I think with 1,000 watts and hex beam, we should hopefully be able to make a few contacts today. Here's how to not unwind coax. This is ABR 400, right? Jeez, look at this guy. You gotta unroll it. Jeez, you unrolled it into a knot for sure. It was beautiful coax, and now every 2 feet it's kinked. I brought a roll of ABR 400 Ultraflex as well. I'm glad I didn't bring it out. You want the juice? We gonna turn this on here. What are you doing? Charging the capacitors?
Yeah, make sure it hasn't been ran in a while, so in case there's a lack of juice in the caps, we're not going to fry them with the 600 amp hours.
We don't want to let the magic smoke out right away this morning?
I kind of like this amp.
Yeah?
I'd rather not.
Okay. Hook us up, Sideboom. Now I'm like crimped and did all these wires, so they should be definitely perfect. All right, we should be hooked up. So I added on the other two terminals, I just put this watt meter in line just so we can keep the voltage, and then we've got this SWR meter hooked up, these little wires here too. So it almost looks like we know what we're doing. Never done this before, never played with this much current or wattage or anything. So this is my first, I don't think I've ever done over 100 watts. So, and then with a beam, how much gain does this have? Like 6 or 7 dB? 4, that's it? 4 dB? All right, we'll take what we can get. Chris from Buddy Pull, let us know how many dBs of gain this has. So now we're connecting to the, whoa, there's a hole there. SWR meter. Look at that. Of course I'm gonna walk into it.
Armadillos.
I've had foot problems all year. I walk into a freaking hole. Jeez. All right, and then we got this. Why don't you use that Messi and Poloni jumper there? It's probably a little better than that old one you got there. Look at this. This is like your dad's jumper right here from like 1940. Well, yeah. So is this the output here?
That would be the antenna side, and our input from the radio goes over here. So
this is, I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
So basically,
the input of the radio goes here.
Correct. And the reason I'm putting the watt
meter and then this goes
the outside is so not only we
to
can
the watt meter and then to the antenna. I see.
We can measure power, but we can also look at the SWRs.
So tell us about the amp. What is this we got going on here?
From what I've been able to find online, this was made by the Henry Amp Company, relabeled as a Metron.
Okay.
It's a 1,000 watt linear amplifier for 12 volts, meant for mobile use.
But for mobile use?
Well, POTA's mobile, right?
Yeah.
I mean,
Well,
so
you got the big tar heel too, so
that's right.
yeah, buddy.
At some point, it will go in the truck. I just haven't mounted it for the sakes of doing this.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna go. Our antenna is gonna go into the YS60 watt meter and SWR meter, and then that goes into the amp, so we can keep levels on everything.
Yeah.
Reflected power, forward power, and SWR.
Have you used this with the BuddiHex yet?
No, I have not.
Okay.
This is our first. This is the first time it's supposedly able to handle legal limits, so we're gonna put it to its test.
All right.
Thanks, Brad.
And then radio, we're thinking
7300.
we got the 7300 there. You brought the 7200,
Correct.
but may or may not have forgotten some important things to get
It's-
electricity to it.
It crosses over to the 7300, so there's no element there. And it might be in the truck. It might just be under the seat or something.
Yeah. So we're gonna rock the 7300, which I'm grateful for because I like the 7300. I've never used the 7200, so
Oh, superhet.
yeah.
It gives you a different.
Not a homodyne, it's a heterodyne.
I didn't ask how it identified.
Oh, okay.
Me and Brad have used the radio before. It's just it gives its own sound. I kind of like it on POTAs because when you're hunting, it gives you that feel of not having the waterfall. You got to hunt around and poke around a little bit more for the signals, but it sounds great.
Yeah, I did that with the 891 for a couple of years, and it's a lot nicer having a waterfall, I think. But yeah, I hear you.
You do have that little what they call.
Oh, that thing's garbage.
Yeah. It's got
All right, we're gonna get the radio set up and
that was a fun
start making some
photo, too.
contacts. When you hear people whistling, this is what they're doing. They're tuning their amp. You gotta go audio, audio.
Hello, audio.
So what do we got here?
Do a little calibration on the SWR.
Well, that was at like 2,000 watts. Or you were on
200.
SWR.
Yeah, I'm on 200 scale right
Make
now.
it go to power.
Power.
Yeah, show the power.
Right now we're not. This is just 100 watts on scale here. KI5 FWJ.
Well, where's 1,000 watts?
We're getting there.
That's what the kids want to see.
Gotta check the SWR first.
I guess. Oh yeah, now she's on. Find a clear frequency, or go to 14.332 on the YL system.
Is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? Kilo India 5 Fox Whiskey Japan.
Make the needle move.
Is the frequency in use?
It's not
Is the
moving.
frequency in use? It is not moving.
What are you doing? You're not hamming harder, damn it. Is it on the right frequency? Now, how do you know what band you're on? You don't have your little
I
knob
don't have
thing
a
there.
knob. I got it without the knob, so you're just going by
Oh,
feel.
you
All
just
the
go
way
to the
down,
bottom and then
15,
one up, yeah.
20.
It's like a motorcycle. You go down one and then.
Up 5, 6?
Yeah. I think
Kilo
so.
India 5 Fox Whiskey Japan. Kilo India 5 Fox Whiskey Japan. Are we actually putting out power?
It don't look like it.
Either I've got a dead meter or
Uh,
yeah. 'Cause that's showing 40 watts output.
well, let's troubleshoot.
Why do we have no power? I noticed that works.
Better not have drove out 3 hours to get here for no 1,000 watts. No, we're getting serious now. Bringing out the toolbox. We got the amplifier all taken apart here. We don't know what the hell's going on. Maybe this will be a how not to POTA video. I don't know. Either way, it's really pretty out. It's kind of cold, but we're kind of thinking it's that relay right there. We really have. When I say we, I exclude myself. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but that's what he's thinking because it's his amp. And he was telling me the last time we talked, we've been planning this trip for at least a year. It's got to be over a year. So he took it inside, he hooked it up to his battery, everything worked, or maybe he hooked it up to a power supply, and there it sat until today. It doesn't work. So what are you fixing to do now?
We're gonna hotwire this.
So he's gonna try and do something dumb. So we brought out his radio so we don't fry the 7300 here. So you're trying to, technically this is an RF sensing amp, but, oh.
I think that relay's just shot.
There is a keying cable that you can use for this. So he's trying to hotwire that. See if we can get that relay going, but still no smoke.
And still no relay.
I was hoping something exciting was going to happen there in that last shot. Oh, whoa. Do that
We
again.
got some excitement.
Dude, what did you just do?
Let me watch your relay. Yep, it's pulling in.
Hoo-wee.
And you're
Yeah.
jumping a little bit over here.
That's all you got to do. Just hotwire it. So why did that work now and not a second ago?
Because I was putting ground back into it and not power. So now that we've got power going to the keying circuit, it's keying.
How do we actually make that work in...
Oh, we're gonna do this like Jade Clampett, son. We're just gonna put it to it like that.
So somebody pushes the PTT and another guy just twists the wires together.
And if that ain't country, you can kiss my.
So you're going to somehow hotwire that, the wires to the radio? Is that your idea?
If I had a barrel connector or like the RCA style, I could and put it on the keying circuit. But since I don't, and I don't have my foot pedal here, we're just gonna redneck engineer this together.
Nice.
Because we got to get down.
So how are you going to redneck engineer it?
Just touch wires together and key up the mic and say bye, bye, bye.
So that the amp will just constantly be on?
No, so you'll disconnect on your, so when you let go, because if not, you won't hear anything on the receive. It's just going to constantly be in transmit.
So we are literally going to be touching the wires together when we key up.
Or I will. I'm not afraid of it.
And that's how you get down. So Brad has, what is that, a foot switch?
That is a ghetto horn button off of my Jeep I just bought from a friend.
So as we key the mic, we can push that, and that will key the amp.
It's one hell of a foot switch.
Some ingenuity there, boys.
This is getting more interesting.
This is great.
From gloom to this might actually work.
Yeah. I mean, this is the video. Nobody even cares about seeing the POTA activation.
No.
This is it.
On today's episode of Hold My Beer,
So he's
watch
going to
this.
take some of these fork connectors, connect it to the wire, and instead of just sticking the bare wire in there, bust off one of the fork connectors and stick it in there.
This is the true definition of hamming harder.
Yes, that, exactly.
If this works, this is going to be amazing. All right, Brad, give me a couple
seems
squeezes.
legit.
Squeeze the juice.
Look at there.
Oh,
You want a block of wood? You can use that for
That's
your
great.
wood switch.
yeah, let's screw it down to. I got some 2x4s in the truck.
I don't believe that works. That is some redneck engineering right there. Good job.
We do things differently here in Louisiana.
Yeah.
It's a real hammer.
This is
All
great. So now we got our foot keyer switch for the amplifier. We'll just give that a press before we key up the radio and should be good to go.
Kilo India 5, Fox Whiskey Japan testing. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Audio. It works. It works. 7-3. This is Whiskey Echo 4 Delta X-Ray QRZ. Kilo Kilo 4 Park to Park again.
Kilo 4 Delta India Victor. Kilo 4 Delta India Victor.
Kilo Kilo 4 Delta India Victor. I've got you 5555 in the Kilo 2375, and KMRD says hi, Bob.
All right, Mike. Yeah, we are in Park Kilo 1867, and you're 59 here into Marietta, Florida, Florida Cavern State Park, QSL.
And QSL, well, we appreciate you hunting and appreciate the activation.
All right, 7-3.
7-3 is Whiskey Echo 4 Delta X-Ray QRZ.
W4 November Delta Alpha.
Whiskey 4 November question.
W4 4 November Delta Alpha in Middle Georgia. You're 5 by, over.
Whiskey 4 November Delta Alpha, I've got you 5-9 in the Kilo 2375.
Yeah, what's your QTH there? I'm half blind and don't know the numbers.
We are coming out of you, Westlake, Louisiana, just north of Lake Charles.
Okie dokie, thank you much. We're near Robbins Air Force Base, Warner Robins, over.
Oh, Roger, Roger. Well, we appreciate you hunting us down today.
73.
7-3 is Whiskey Echo 4 Delta X-Ray QRZ.
Victor Echo 3, Yankee Tango Lima.
Victor Echo 3 again.
Victor Echo 3, Yankee Tango Lima.
Victor Echo 3 Yankee Tango Lima 5757 in the 2379.
QSL, I have you 5-9 into Northern Ontario. Thank you for activating 7-3.
You work them all?
Forgot your memory card. I was about to hit the voice activation. And then I got the memory card. No!
Kilo Oscar 4, Roger Victor Echo.
Kilo Oscar 4 Roger Victor Echo 5-9 plus in the Kilo 2375.
Roger 5-9 in Kilo 2375. And need your call sign. I am in Tallahassee, Florida.
Tallahassee. This is Whiskey Echo 4 Delta X-Ray QSL.
Roger, Whiskey Echo 4 Dixie X-Ray. 73, good luck.
7-3s, we appreciate you hunting. This is Whiskey Echo 4 Delta X-Ray We4DX QRZ.
CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is Whiskey Echo 4 Delta X-Ray, Kilo 2375. CQ Parks on the air and standing by.
Kilo Echo 4 Lima Papa Lima Park.
Kilo Echo 4 Lima Papa Lima Park to Park. You are a 5-5 into Kilo 2375.
QSL, you are 5 and 6 into Kilo 7628 7628.
This is Whiskey Echo 4 Delta X-Ray, Kilo 2375. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air and standing by.
Whiskey 4 Delta Echo Golf.
Whiskey 4 Delta Echo Golf. You're a 5-9 into the park.
And you're at 20 over in Northwest Florida.
You gotta hit it more.
Roger that. Thank you very much for the 20 over. You have a great day. Thanks for hunting. 7-3.
7-3, thanks for being out there.
Kilo India 5 Golf Zulu Oscar. You are a 4-3. 4-3 into the park.
Roger, I have you at a 4-3 of 43 into Lake Charles.
Hit him with that power. That's GZM.
Hit the power.
Roger that. Got the 4-3. Thank you very much. Thanks for hunting us. 7-3.
73.
It's not working.
This is Whiskey Echo 4 Delta X-Ray QRZ.
When you think you have it fixed. Redneck engine.
Ah, there you are.
Do it
Kilo
today.
Kilo 7 Bravo Kilo Hotel. Got you in good there. What was your park number again?
Kilo 3041, Roger.
Roger that. Kilo 3041. You are a 5-5 into the park, my friend.
QRZ. Kilo 9 Tango Papa Tango. You're 3x3, 33 into Louisiana.
Thank you very much. That's what happens when you're in the van down by the river. 73, you're 5-9 Florida.
Roger, the van down by the river. Good to get to the log. 73.
Alpha Bravo 9, Yankee Golf.
All right, we got a couple in there. Let's go. Was it Alpha Bravo 9 Yankee Golf?
Alpha Bravo 9, Yankee Golf. Hey, Mike, it's David. We met over at Dayton this year. How's the one who told you you were a bad influence for the soda box? Yeah, please copy my Kilo 1016.
Roger the 1016. Good to get you in the log and good to meet you at Dayton there. I got you about a 5-5, 55 in the Kilo 2375, 2375. QRZ.
November 9.
Let's go with the park to park.
Kilo 0, Victor India Kilo, park to park.
Kilo 0, Victor India Kilo. Got you 5-5 in the Kilo 2375.
Roger, thank you for the 5-5. You are 5-9 in the two parks. Kilo 2482, 2482, and Kilo 3381, 3381.
Roger, 2482 and 3381.
Roger that, love your channel. Thanks, Mike.
Hey, thanks so much, man. We're doing a 1,000-watt POTA activation today. And I'm actually filming. I'll throw you in the video.
Oh, fantastic. I'll look for it. Thanks so much. 73.
Right on, man. 73. QRZ, Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta.
Kilo Delta 0, Whiskey Alpha November.
Was it Kilo Delta 0 Whiskey Alpha November?
Roger. Great signal. 5-9 from St. Louis, Missouri. QSL.
Roger the 5-9 St. Louis. I'll give you a 5-9 right back at you.
Well, I don't know what you got going today, but the bands, they are cooking today. QSL.
We're actually running a 1,000-watt amplifier battery power into a BuddiHex hex beam antenna.
Oh, wow, that's great. You going to put that on your channel?
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, perfect. I'll be looking for it. Thank you very much, in 73.
QRZ.
Zulu, Romeo X-ray.
Ending Zulu Romeo X-ray.
Kilo Oscar 4, Zulu Romeo X-ray.
Okay, Kilo Oscar 4 Zulu Romeo X-ray. You're 5-9.
Hey, roger that, Mike. 5-9 plus 10 here in Kentucky today. Have fun out there with the 1,000-watt. 73.
Hey, thanks so much, man. Good to get you in the log. All right, was it November Lima 9 Papa Whiskey?
November 9 Lima Tango Whiskey, N9 LTW. Here, 5-9 plus.
What an asshole.
Good afternoon, Mike.
Yeah, sorry, some idiot's keying up above you. November 9 Lima Tango Whiskey, come back.
N9 LTW QRP here. Yeah, you're 5-9 plus in Illinois, Mike.
Okay, roger the 5-9 plus. I got you about a 5-5, 55 here in Louisiana.
All right, thanks for the 5-5. I appreciate it, and I appreciate your activation. You're one of my heroes on YouTube. Good luck. Have a good day.
Hey, thanks so much. Good to get you in the log. I appreciate it. Any other mobile or QRP stations?
Whiskey Echo 9, Echo QRP.
Whiskey Echo 9, Echo. I got you 5-5, 55 in Louisiana.
Copy that. You're 5-9 in Illinois.
Kilo 4 Delta Romeo Echo.
Go back to Juliet.
Kilo 4 Delta Romeo Echo 5x7.
Oh my goodness, Mike, thank you so much. You're 5-9-20 over in Jacksonville, Florida, Foxtrot Lima. Thank you so much for your videos and thanks for the activation.
Hey, thanks so much for the 20 over to Jacksonville. I appreciate you hunting, and thanks for watching. 73 QRZ, Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta. Parks on the air.
Kilo 2 Papa Zulu Bravo.
Jeez.
Whiskey 9 Bravo Delta X-ray.
Kilo 2 Papa Zulu Bravo, you're 5-9.
Thank you for the 5-9, Mike. I'm looking forward for the mailbag Monday.
I need to film that.
7359 in Central Florida.
Hey, roger that. I need to film that still. I might not have one for Monday. I'm having too much fun playing radio, but good to get you in the log. I appreciate you watching.
Right. Okay, next time let's start, recording those videos, those POTA videos. 73, my friend.
I'm making one right now, man. We're doing 1,000 watts battery power with a hex beam.
All right, looking forward to watching it. 73.
Kilo 5 November Foxtrot Bravo.
Kilo 5 November Foxtrot Bravo 5-9.
Roger, you're 60 over.
Yeah, you're pegging my meter. I'm glad this isn't my radio. QRZ, Parks on the air. Who am I? Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta.
Kilo India 5 Fox Whiskey Japan Mobile.
Fox Whiskey Japan. There's a mobile station, Kilo India 5, Fox Whiskey Japan. I got you right in the noise. Let's give you a 1x1.
1 by 1, Roger. You're 40 over here. Side boom just got down.
Well, it's about time you got this amplifier working. Good to get you in the log, side boom, from what, maybe 150 feet away. Good contact, buddy.
It was a struggle.
November Echo 4, Tango November.
Hey, Walt, what's going on, brother? How are you?
Pretty good, Mike. Having a good day here. Got you 5-9 in Tennessee.
I would hope so. I'm doing 1,000 watts on a hex beam, so you're coming in solid 5-9 here in Louisiana.
Okay, very good. Well, we got hex beam to hex beam, but
nice.
You got 10 times my power there. Go ahead.
Yeah, we're pushing that amp with battery power, too.
Oh, wow. Big battery, big battery. All right, Mike, thanks a lot.
Go ahead, park to park.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Kilo Delta India, Park to Park.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Kilo Delta India, got you 5-5 into Kilo 2375.
All right, copy 2375. You are 5-5 here into Nebraska. Park Kilo 5658. Love your YouTube video. Thanks, Mike.
Hey, thanks so much. Was that 5658?
QSL 5658 in Nebraska.
Right on. Thanks for Nebraska, man. Thanks for the park to park 73.
73. Park to Park, November 8 Hotel Sierra Delta QRP.
Park to park, stand by. November 8 Hotel Sierra Delta QRP. You're 5x5, 55 Louisiana.
Roger, you're 57, 5x7 Mike Oscar, Missouri.
Roger the 5-7 Missouri. Thanks for the contact. Who's the park to park?
Hey, Roger, Roger. November 4 Sierra Alpha X-Ray. Mike, you are 5'9" at K1873 in Florida. Booming in here into the Florida Panhandle. K1873.
Roger that. November 4 Sierra Alpha X-Ray. Copy the 1873 and got you about a 5x8 here into Kilo 2375.
Thanks for 2375 and have a great day.
Thank you, 73. All right, boys, I'm going QRT. They just put a bunch of food in front of my face. Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta, QRT. Look at them sausages. They got sausages. Look at the sausages. How long on them sausages? Wow, so that was 100 contacts very quickly. Let's see, 1855, we're gonna maths here. To 1723, so what's that, 40 minutes or so? No, is that, no, that can't be more than that. It's gotta be more. 18, hang on, what did I say? 1815 to 1723. See, 50 minutes or so? I don't know. We'll flash it up here on the screen because I can't do math. 100 contacts in 47 minutes? Holy crap. Holy crap. That just happened. I'm gonna go eat now. I'm not sure what to do with my hands. That is what a 1,000-watt POTA activation looks like. I gotta give a big shout out to Sideboom for his amazing amplifier skills. And a huge shout out to Kevin from Bioenno for supplying us with these batteries so we could do this 1,000-watt activation. So thank you. And thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next episode of Ham Radio Tube 73, guys.
Mike just got down.
I did just get down.